Hey everyone, welcome back to the Threeologie channel, and today I wanted to dive into something special. I've actually got these new greeting cards that I recently designed that I've been working on as well, and I'm going to use them to explore Adobe Express's new features. So let's jump right into it. Before we get started, I wanted to thank Adobe Express for sponsoring this video. Okay, so here we are in Adobe Express, and I'm uploading a video where I showcase my latest greeting card designs. Now let's watch how the new features can take this simple showcase to the next level. I'm going to start off with the very first feature, which is Captions by Adobe Express. By clicking on Captions, I can upload a video that I've created, and Adobe Express will automatically caption my video, which is really awesome. You don't have to go in and add the captions yourself. Adobe Express will do it for you. So you can see here my video is being uploaded and Adobe Express is starting to caption the video. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the upload part of the video. That way we can jump into Adobe Express captioning and see how it works. Now we can see that my video has been uploaded and the captions have been added. And you're probably wondering, why would I want to add captions to a video? Well, adding captions actually makes our content accessible to everyone. Now let's see how this works. If I click on play on my video, you can see that Adobe Express has automatically captioned my video, which is really cool. And on the right side of the screen, you can actually see that I can choose from a variety of captioning styles for my video. I don't necessarily have to stick to the one that they automatically placed on the video. For this video, I'm just kind of clicking through the different styles of captioning just to see how it looks, to see what works best for my video. You can see that there are a variety of styles to choose from, and you can also adjust the colors of these styles as well in case you're interested in that. But for this video, since I'm showcasing my greeting cards, I want to select a color that really stands out. So I think I'm going to pick the color red because they are showing some holiday cards. And once that's done, I'll go ahead and click on Open in Editor, and now I can edit my video further using Adobe Express. Now that my video is uploaded, you can see here I can actually select my captions and change the placement of them on my video. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it down and adjust the placement for these captions. Now on to the second new feature of Adobe Express. I've gone ahead and added some text to my video to show you how the new feature works. If we head to the bottom of our timeline, you can see a toggle button near the text, Show Layer Timing. Layer timing allows you to trim and position text, layers, and groups in the timeline. I've turned it on, and now when I select my scene, some elements will appear above it. I can then select certain elements and begin trimming or positioning them. For example, I can select the sparkle image and adjust when it begins. I can do this for the rest of the elements I've added on top of my video. This is a game changer for syncing your video elements just right. Which brings me to the next new feature in Adobe Express, two cool new transitions, push and slide. If I click on the plus sign in between scenes, I can choose to add a transition. Before, Adobe Express just had the one dissolve transition, but now we have two additional. Now you can add that extra flair to your videos with the new push and slide transitions. And last but definitely not least, Adobe Express now integrates with TikTok through their content scheduler. This means you can plan, preview, and publish your content directly to TikTok, reaching a wider audience than ever before. And to celebrate, I'm going to go ahead and schedule this video that I've created showing off my new greeting cards. I've gone ahead and added a fun little caption, and I'm going to set it to be scheduled tonight. Now that I've selected my time, I'm going to go ahead and preview my video just to make sure all looks good. I'll click on play, and this will give me a real preview of what it'll look like in TikTok, which is really great, just to make sure nothing's covering any part of your video that you do not want to be hidden. I think that looks great, and all I have to do next is just click on schedule. Now jumping back to the home screen, I can actually click on schedule, and you can see here my TikTok video has been scheduled for Friday night. That's it for today. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of these fantastic new Adobe Express features. I've added a link to Adobe Express in the description below in case you're eager to try it out. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Can't wait to see your creations. Until next time.